I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie to lose weight. First, choose ingredients that are rich in nutrients to help you feel full and satisfied. Make sure to add a good source of protein and plenty of fiber, as these are key for sustained energy and reducing hunger. Also, be mindful of any added sugars, as these can quickly increase your calorie intake without providing much nutritional value. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods for the best results. For your base, start with about 1 cup of leafy greens, like spinach or kale, which are packed with vitamins and minerals. Next, add approximately 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit. Berries are excellent choices due to their lower sugar content and high antioxidants. Finally, boost your smoothie's protein power with 1 scoop of a quality protein powder, helping to build muscle and keep you feeling full. When blending, use about 1 cup of unsweetened liquid such as almond milk or water to achieve the right consistency. To further enhance satiety and add beneficial nutrients, consider including healthy fats like 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or a small amount of avocado. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, add more ice. For a thinner one, simply add a bit more liquid until it's perfect for you. To effectively use smoothies for weight loss, consider replacing 1 meal per day with a well-balanced smoothie. It's crucial to monitor your portion sizes and ingredient amounts to ensure you're managing your overall calorie intake effectively. Remember, consistency is key for achieving your goals. Also, staying hydrated throughout the day is super important for your health, so check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. Keep up the great work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.